Initial releases from the government following meetings held on Thursday, headed by the Prime Minister, indicate that, as previously reported, the nation is divided into 3 different types of zones. Now, they're called maximum and strictly controlled zone, maximum controlled and controlled. If that's hard to follow, well, think of red, amber and green. The worst regions are listed as Bangkok, Chonburi, Chiang Mai, Nonthaburi, Pathum Thani and Samut Prakan. In these regions, which include our own, as of Friday midnight, all forms of dining in eateries ends. And that applies to every outlet from fine dining through to mum-and-pop stores with plastic seats. But the good news is that takeaway and delivery is allowed. Gatherings in the region for any reason of more than 20 people is disallowed, and there's no excuses on that. Malls will close at 9 in the evening with no promotional events. Only outdoor sport venues are allowed to operate until 9 in the evening, and fines for not wearing masks at any time in public or in a car when you have 1 or more passenger are fully in effect. As numbers dwindle, any of those zones may improve, and so they may be dropped to less stringent groups where dining is allowed. No word on any travel ban, but with the 4-day weekend, if you're in Bangkok, Chonburi, Chiang Mai, Nonthaburi, Pathum Thani or Samut Prakan, you're asked to refrain from unnecessary travel outside your area. And as of now, 12 provinces have prohibited people from going out of their residences for limited hours during night time. In Nonthaburi, Pathum Thani and Samut Prakan, those hours are 9 in the evening until 4 in the morning. In Trang, they're 10 in the evening until 3 in the morning. In Songkhla, Surat Thani and Yala, 10 in the evening until 4 in the morning. And Samut Sakhon, Nakhon Nayok, Ubon Ratchathani, Chainat and Nakhon Phanom are from 11 in the evening until 4 in the morning. The Department of International Trade has asked shopping malls and retail stores to stock up on necessary goods to meet consumer demand, especially rice, dry and frozen goods, canned food and drinking water. However, we've been assured that supplies and deliveries for our region are no problem at all, with all supermarkets having contingency plans ready for any event. The Bureau of the Royal Household has prohibited 3 important ceremonies taking place in May: the Coronation ceremonies from the 2nd to the 4th of May, the Royal Ploughing ceremony from 9 to the 10th of May, and Visaka Bucha ceremonies on the 25th to the 26th of May. Now then, provinces have a basis from which to work and will, without doubt, be adding their own extra controls as they're entitled to do. Here in Chonburi and Pattaya, we expect announcements, and as soon as we receive them, we'll be reading them here on the news to you. Thursday saw Bangkok report 689 cases, Samut Prakan 151, Chonburi 112, and Pathum Thani 81. In a day that also saw over 1,800 new cases nationwide and 10 new deaths, with an average over the past week of over 2,000 cases daily. As it stands, according to the minutes released, Thai and non-Thais employed legally here and paying into the social security system will be eligible for vaccinations beginning July through hospitals and health centres. For non-Thais who are here legally with any type of visa, the latest news is that free vaccinations will be available to those folk too. This according to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, who were quoted as saying that foreigners are included in Thailand's mass vaccination plans. In their words, all people who reside in Thailand, regardless of nationality, are eligible to receive the vaccine under the plan. All arrivals with CEOs issued on or after May the 1st will serve 14 days quarantine in Thailand. This is to counteract various strains developing around the world. Those who had travel documents approved before the 1st of May will serve 7 to 10 days depending on vaccination status if arriving prior to the 6th of May. Otherwise, it's 14 days. And now for Chonburi and Pattaya, we await formal notification of any additional province or region-wide conditions. And with the reminder, mitts, masks and meters, wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distancing. And the Met Office promising highs of 31, dropping down to 28 with a good chance of rain at any time. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme, Like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below.